Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export Chrome extensions. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you do this, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. From that secondary menu, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions Management page where you can view all your installed extensions and control their settings. Now, on the top right corner of the Extensions page, you'll notice a toggle button labeled Developer Mode. Click this toggle to turn it on. Enabling developer mode is essential because it unlocks additional features and options that aren't normally visible, including the ability to pack and export extensions. You'll know it's activated when the toggle switches to the on position. Before we can proceed with exporting, we need to create a dedicated folder to store our extension files. Open your file browser by clicking on the File Explorer icon in your taskbar or using your system's file navigation shortcut. This is where you'll organize the necessary files for your extension export. Once the file browser is open, select a location where you want to create this new folder. For this example, we'll use the Downloads folder, but you can choose any location that works best for you. Navigate to that location in your file browser. Now right-click anywhere in the empty space within your chosen location. This will bring up a context menu. From this menu, hover over New and then click on Folder from the submenu that appears. A new folder will be created and you'll be prompted to give it a name. Type in a descriptive name for your folder so you can easily identify it later. Next, open Notepad or any text editor you prefer. Here's where things get a bit technical but important. You'll need to create a JSON file with specific content. I'll display the JSON code you need to type in the notepad on screen. Feel free to pause the video at this point to carefully copy the code exactly as shown. This JSON file is crucial because it contains the manifest information required for the extension. Once you've typed or pasted the code into Notepad, press Ctrl and S simultaneously to save the file. This keyboard shortcut opens the Save dialog box. Navigate to the folder we created earlier and set the file name as manifest.json. This is important. Before clicking Save, look for the drop-down menu labeled Save as Type and change it from text documents to all files. This ensures the file is saved with the correct JSON extension rather than as a text file. After making these changes, click the Save button. Now, return to your Google Chrome browser and the Extensions Management page. Look for and click on the button labeled Pack Extension. This opens a new dialog box where you'll specify which extension you want to export. In the dialog box, you'll see a field labeled Extension Root Directory with a Browse button next to it. Click that Browse button, then navigate to and select the folder we created earlier with the manifest file inside. Click Select Folder to confirm your choice. Finally, click the Pack Extension button at the bottom of the dialog box. Chrome will now process your extension and create the necessary export files. This might take just a moment, depending on the size of your extension. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Chrome extension, and it's now saved in a format you can share or install on other devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.